that you call me by my name.
What's up, Essence? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl G Essence, and I'm back again with a brand new video. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is G Essence, and I'm super happy that you found us. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all subscribe, because I know you're gonna be coming back for more hunty. All right. So in today's video, guys, what we'll be doing is to do this wash and go. Now, the last wash and go that I did was with the Extreme Hair Gel, and I'm gonna put a picture up here, right here. Right, it was with the Extreme Hair Gel, and a little update on that, guys. I did get a little flakes. It wasn't a lot, but I did get some flakes on that one. All right, so I just want to update you on that, but it's really a good gel. I'll definitely give it like a 6.5, 7 out of 10. This one I'll be using is the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Flaxseed Recipes Don't Shrink Elongating Curling Gel. Now, honey, I really love this. It's really giving what it's supposed to give. Honestly, normally, you know, gels are always going to say that it is elongating, no shrink or whatever, but as long as you have natural hair, honey, you are going to have shrinkage. Shrinkage equals healthy hair, and that's for sure. Okay, so yes, it did shrink my hair a little, but honestly, I really love this gel because it really does get into the creases of my curls to give me the look that you're all seeing here today, and I'm loving it. All right, for this I didn't get as much flakes as I got in the Extreme Hair Gel. In all honesty, guys, all gels are gonna have flakes naturally. Once them dry, you're gonna still get a flake in that gel. As long as it's a product on your hair, you're gonna see it. So honey, if you want to see how I use this to achieve this, please stay tuned to the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe to the fam. Okay, Essence Sound, let's get right into the video. Now, before I proceed, I want to let you guys know exactly the things that I'll be using in today's video. So as seen in the intro, I'll be using this Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Recipe Thing Gel. Oil, as usual, it's not Wild Growth that is in here. The Wild Growth has been finished from Mopikill fill up, but I filled this up with like argan oil, peppermint oil, castor oil, and one NYX oil in there, but I can't remember. I think olive oil. I've mixed it up in there. So yeah, what's up with me today? My conditioning water. No, water and condition. I'll be using the Vigorol Olive Oil Mega Moisture Mousse. So this is like what you see in any beauty supply store, any mousse of your choice. Yes, I find that it really locks in the curls, so, and it worked well the first time I tried this. So that's basically what I'll be using in today's video. I had already sectioned my hair in parts of 6, plait it up and stuff. So I'll be working in sections and be working from the back as usual. So I'll be doing this piece here. Alright, so as usual, I don't like to work on the dry hair, so go damp it up with a little conditioning water. And then I'll be going in with my oils. I want to ensure that the hair is not dry and crusty before I apply the gel. So that's really how I do it. I do it in smaller sections because we want as much definition as possible that we can get with the hair. And we'll be working on this section. So first things first, I'm going to be getting my gel. And we use like a generous amount, you understand? As much as needed for the hair to get the definition that we want. What I'll use is this detangling thing, and then I have another brush that I'm going to go over it again with. But this really helps to separate the curls as much as possible, and it will give you all that juiciness. All that juiciness. So lock it in with everything that we have here. This is where the mousse is going to come in. But yeah, the mousse, and we're going to apply that to my hair. They're as generous as possible, guys, because we want the curls to pop, you understand? So this is really what we'll be doing for this section of the hair and the remaining sections. So that's it for this section, guys. We're just going to really continue throughout the top, and we'll be meeting back once we get to the front part. Hey guys, so now we're at the top portion of her hair. Now first things first, I'm just combing that out, and then I'll be focusing on trying to get the hair as centered as possible, right? Because what we're going to be doing is a section 2 portion of the hair, because we're going to really take that part out of her face, you know, that sleek back kind of vibe when it comes to wash and goes. So instead of really having the hair all in our face, I'm gonna be sectioning that part, really part it off and sleek it back. So I'm really just sectioning that part and then putting those parts in a twist. Okay guys, so I have finished my hair. The back is complete or whatever. A little up close for you guys. The curls are giving. Alright, but I need to separate like this part. So I'm gonna probably get a little scrunchy. I have the shine and jam as well. A little red thing here. Shine and jam. So I'm gonna use it at the front of the hair to really slick it down. I'm just gonna like just wrap it at the back. I'm gonna use 2 elastic bands. For the front portion, what you can do is use a hair dryer to really like get it sleeked or whatever. All right guys, so this really is a finished look. I mean, I'm in love for sure. The curls are popping. They are popping, okay? So I'm really liking it, guys, and I really do hope you enjoy the video today. You know, all that really needs to be done is to air dry it, and if you're going to be stretching it, you can use the banding method. Really just put bands on the ends of the hair and go to bed with it. But for me right now, I'm just gonna let it air dry, and later down I'll probably use my hair dryer now to really speed up the process of the drying. I'm gonna sleek this part down more and really just like tie it down for it to get a bit more sleek. But honestly, I'm really loving the hair. The curls are definitely popping, and I'm really happy that I was able to share this with y'all today. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all subscribe. And until then, I'll definitely see you in the next one. Alright guys, so this is how the hair is looking the next day. It has a bit more volume than yesterday. So I did the banding method as I told you guys, slit down the end, the front a little bit more. So this is how the hair is looking. Bye.